views all along. We're quite enjoying this. We are approaching the Linger Varshini Estate homestay. The last half to 1 kilometer is like an off-roading stretch. Hi, good morning. We are on our way from Bangalore to Sakleshpur for a 2-day trip. We're going to this place called Linger. They have a property called Varshini Estate over there. And the vacation that they plan is kind of interesting because what they call it, the property, what they call the property as is a place where you would come to do nothing. So that's exactly what we are looking to do there. So we'll have to see how that goes. So we're going to go there, spend some leisurely time, have some good food and enjoy the company of friends. And as usual on our way, we stopped for breakfast at Swati Delicacy.
This time around, I got a sneak peek into the clean, bustling and efficient kitchen at Swati's, which reaffirmed why one's breakfast at this place could seldom go wrong.
As we approach Hassan, it has started to rain heavily, and the views and the weather combined to give a very good experience. We are approaching the Linger Varshini Estate homestay. The last half to 1 kilometer is like an off-roading stretch. It's pretty exciting and a little anxious with a sedan at hand. Reached Linger Varshini Estate. The house looks really beautiful, a heritage style home with a very elegant architecture. There's a lot of detailing that we can spend some time on.
The homestay is filled with a carefully curated collection of antique gramophone, vintage tape recorders and heirloom vessels. Every corner told a story, gave us a warm, lived-in experience. We then had a sumptuous lunch in the serene setting of an outdoor dining area, and all our meals and snacks over the next couple of days were well taken care of.
Such a beautiful evening here at the house. We can hear the sound of the peacocks around, and it's been a misty evening here. How do you guys like it?
It's really good! It's cold but good! It's rainy.
And how's the visibility?
It's pretty bad, I'd say. Not good for a car drive.
This bungalow here houses 4 rooms. So this would particularly suit groups of 3 to 4 families who would like to have a private space, to have some time for themselves, soak into the lovely ambience the surrounding provides, and not necessarily look for any other activities to do or anything like that. So this is a terrific place that I would recommend for people who just want to laze around, and as the property in their website puts it, this is the best place for literally doing just nothing and having a do nothing sort of a vacation.
The hat tip the homestay pays to the legends of Kannada literature, with the 4 rooms thoughtfully named after Kuvempu, Bendre, Masti and Shivaram Karanth, celebrating their enduring legacy, was noteworthy. We visited the Kukke Shri Temple the next morning, a 60-kilometer drive of an hour and a half from the estate. We enjoyed our drive through the beautiful Shiradi Ghat and the time spent at the famous temple. We returned back in time for lunch, and the evening that day was spent on board games and an outdoor cricket session. After breakfast on day 3, it was time to bid goodbye to the homestay, which allowed us to carry enough lovely memories back from the trip.
On our way back from Sakleshpur to Hassan, this route is extremely scenic with a lot of paddy fields, coffee estates, and a lot of homestays also lining up the road here. The roads are in excellent condition.